Uy, wag mo nang palagpasin to pag nagbanawe food trip ka. Sulit, affordable at masarap na Chinese food. Hindi mo na kailangan makipagsiksikan sa Binondo kasi dito may restaurant with 4.7 stars sa Google reviews. Gets na gets ko na sila kaya save mo na to. Ready ka na ba? Tara, G. We're here at Sufuse na located in Banawe. Yung mga pagkain pretty affordable with a decent serving size. Must try itong salted chicken nila. Soft, tender, and juicy yung chicken. Lasang-lasa mo pa yung salted egg. Yung nagmamantikang sauce, ang sarap niya ni ulam sa kanin. May mga fried rice sila dito tulad nitong Yang Chow fried rice. Ganda ng quality ng kanin nila dito kaya masasarap talaga yung kain mo. Another must try yung cereal fish. May na na savory. Yung cereal added a nice texture na nag-complement sa softness ng fish. Yung sweet and sour pork, ang lalaki and lambot na mga karne. Well balanced din yung sweet and tangy flavor. Sakto pa yung consistency ng sauce. Light and crispy naman yung batter ng salt and pepper squid nila. Yung squid itself was tender and the flavor was on point. Pati mga dim sum nila dito panalo. On top of my list yung soy wonton. Sobrang siksik at meaty. It's spicy and savory. One of the best wontons I've had so far. Sulit din tong hakaw nila kasi malaki yung shrimp and very plump and fresh. Meron din silang siomai dito na malaki, malaman at hindi ma-extender. And of course, andito ka rin naman so make sure to try their seafood laksa. Flavor-wise, it was rich, creamy, spicy, and coconutty. Just the way I like it. May base beef and wonton noodle din sila. Light lang pero malasa yung broth nito, hindi rin maalat. Yung beef naman super tender as in. May mga drinks din sila like strawberries and cream and double chocolate. Hindi ako OA pero ang sasarap talaga naman na try namin. Walang tapon. Sulit bawat order and definitely added na to sa Banawe favorites ko. Deserve na deserve ang mataas na rating sa Google kaya try nyo na rin